Okay, let's check our work. So we already started with the problem 7,147 as our area inside for square feet, and then we know that there is a width of 7 feet. So we did 7 times 1,000 to fill 7,000 of that total. When we subtracted that 7,000 from our 7,147, we're left with 147. So the next thing I would think is how many 7s fit into 147. And I actually look at these first two digits to help me out because I want to figure out how many multiples of 10. Well, I know 7 goes into 14 two times, but this is 140. So I'm going to say 20. So if I do 20 times 7, that gets me an answer of 140. I'm getting much closer to filling this whole array. So that's 140. If I subtract 140 from this, I'm left with only 7 left. So I'm going to write that down here. I have 7 left. This one's easy. I know 1 times 7 gets me 7, and now I'm back to 0. So where is my answer in all of this? What you do is you take the top part, 1,000 plus 20 plus 1, and that gives me my total when I figure out 7,147 divided by 7. My answer is 1,021 feet wide, or sorry, feet long. I'm going to label it feet. So there's my answer.